Hi, how are you doing today? I'm going to answer some questions for advertising. It's Chapter 16, Module 9. It's regarding public relations and crisis communication. The first part is to let you know that advertising professionals view advertising and PR as marketing tools to promote sales, to increase the revenue and the sales of the products that they're trying to sell. They'll use social media to get the public aware of their product, also using the ads on social media. The most widely used PR tool would be news release or press. This consists of one or more printed or electronic pages of information issued to generate publicity or shed light on a subject of interest. Part 2, crisis communication. I did my research on the Ford Pinto. In the early 70s, Ford released Pintos with quite a few, a billion of them. And there was the first big case that was reported was Grimshaw versus Ford, and the mother died, and the son was severely injured. I had reconstructive surgery, new ear, nose, and such things as that. And they were awarded multi-millions for it. And Ford was liable to pay damages or like a fine for knowing they were selling something that wasn't safe. They was later in the 77 or so. It was discovered that Ford knew that these gas tanks in the Pinto were unsafe, and that there would most likely, or almost inevitably, be death caused by an accident. It was just a low impact rear ending is what resulted in the explosion that killed the mother and almost killed the son. And it was 1974 or so when they first filed the Auto Center for Auto Safety filed for them to be recalled. But it was not until 1978 that it finally was passed that they had to recall these. There was some million Pintos and then like 30,000 Mercury Bobcats and sedans. And the way this could have been handled differently was not to produce or to sell the things that they produced, because they chose to think it was cheaper to pay for somebody to die than it was to properly fix the gas tank to prevent it. It was cheaper, they thought, so that's how they justified it. And it took almost 10 years for them to get those off the market or get them fixed. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you very much.